Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and guess what? The pirate ship is back. That's right, we're currently in Ocean City at Playland's Castaway Cove because there's a new boat. And it's pretty cool to kind of see, so I figure we'll do a quick little tour and probably put the seagull up in the sky before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can really drop everything that I'm doing on a random Thursday, come down the show and film for you. So if you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. A little background story for those who maybe don't know what happened. It was about, 3 years ago where a fire unfortunately destroyed this entire building. It was the arcade, a few businesses, and then of course on top, the historic pirate ship, which did have a pirate and a parrot. Try saying that 3 times fast. And from the get-go, they said they were going to rebuild. Let's be honest, this is custom stuff. You can't just make this overnight. It takes a while and takes approvals. And so we've been coming here every year to give you guys updates. And now, yesterday, they craned in the ship, the pirate and the parrot. Today, they added in the water, and you see that over there? Yeah, giant squid taking over the boat. Kind of works out. I mean, we do have a giant parrot, right? Works out. Anyway, so I figured I just wanted to take you around for a little bit. They did redo the arcade. I'll do a tour for you in another video. But right now, let me take you around. I have to say that the camera does not really give justice on how big this thing is. Luckily for us, we do have people standing underneath it. They're pulling, I think there's a Dairy Queen sign or something like that back up. You can see their height versus his height. Yeah, that's what, 6 people tall? He is a big guy. Same thing with the parrot. They're a little bit different than before. His feathers are very detailed, unlike the other one. And the pirate also has more details on him as well. Let me know if you guys like these ones better or the originals. And talking about the originals, hey, let's just throw this one up. This is the best photo I have from you. You can see the parrot being green, different pirate, red, get the eye patch, and instead of having a sword like the new one does, this one has a gun. You can see all the ropes and the mast. This one also doesn't have the giant octopus or the water, and you'll see that in a second, but let's get back to the video. And you can see crews are actually craning on pieces right now and attaching the squid head. It's very unique to see. It's not every day you get to see them bring in giant pieces like this on any boardwalk for that matter. And then here you have the ocean, which just kind of fits in together. Looks like they're just tied down with some cable ties for the time being. And we'll walk a little bit closer for you. Yes, so before, this thing is absolutely massive. It's actually very intimidating. But it is very, very neat. And I mentioned Dairy Queen. Yeah, this actually is the Dairy Queen sign. Remember, this entire building was essentially completely destroyed. And it looks good right now. Now, unfortunately, this summer is the first summer that Playland is the only game in town since, Gilligan's. It's still kind of weird that it's not going to be open this year. And I'm thinking maybe we should reach out to them, see if we could do like an inside tour. I don't know. I think they started removing things from the piers, a couple of the rides. They had to put things away for the winter time. So I'm not even quite sure what it would look like inside. It's probably, for the most part, completely either inside, either everything's stored up and put away, or they have everything either sold off. I know they did at one point have the majority of the rides for sale. I'm not really quite sure what's sold or what's still for sale. That being said, we'll probably do another video in a few weeks, maybe closer to Memorial Day, to give you like a drone video of what's left over there. Like, I missed that dark ride. That was always a fun one. But for now, I figured we have the seagull. The wind is finally getting better. For those who don't know, down here in the wintertime, it's always very windy. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the seagull in the sky to bring you a bird's point of view of what things look like right up there. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. It's funny, actually, I did my drone video and then someone else put their own drone up, so I'm pretty sure that's probably OCNJ Drones. They do a great job down here as well. But I'm probably gonna go quickly film an inside video of the arcade so you can see what it looks like. That will be in a separate video, so if you see that video a few weeks down the line, you're going, well, he's wearing the same clothes, that's why. And here's a quick little tease of that other video. Let me tell you something. They brought in some of the, I think, best, newest, coolest looking arcade games I have ever seen. They've done a really cool, I don't realize the theming inside is pirate ship. From the stamped concrete to the lighting fixtures. And then I also was able to go in the back and look at the rides. Nothing is open just yet because it is springtime. Some rides are still wrapped up. In a few weeks from Memorial Day weekend, everything will be roaring and ready to go. But it is pretty cool to see everything kind of still asleep for the springtime. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video and all my other videos a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. As always, I'll see you on the beach, and today it's actually becoming a beach day. I'm in shorts, so I am not going to complain. Summer's going to be here before you know it. So, as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.